Your windows play a major role in the comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency of your Knoxville home. Over time, even the best windows begin to show signs of wear. Whether you live in an older property in North Knoxville or a newer build in Farragut, recognizing early warning signs can help you avoid bigger issues down the road. Here are the top indicators that it may be time for window installation or replacement. Your energy bills are rising. One of the clearest signs your windows need attention is a noticeable increase in energy costs. Knoxville's hot summers and chilly winters put your HVAC system to the test. If your windows are drafty, outdated, or have broken seals, your heating and cooling system must work overtime. You may feel warm or cold spots near windows or notice your home no longer holds temperature as well as before. Installing new energy-efficient windows can greatly reduce energy loss and help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively. You feel drafts or notice leaks. Drafts are more than a nuisance. They're a sign that your windows are no longer performing properly. If you feel air coming in around the frame or see moisture collecting along the sill, it's time to consider replacement. Knoxville experiences heavy rainfall and humidity, especially in the spring and summer. Moisture intrusion can lead to rot, mold growth, and even structural damage. New, properly sealed windows help keep the elements out and your home protected. Your windows are hard to open or close. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it's often due to warped frames, broken hardware, or age-related deterioration. Humidity is common in East Tennessee, and over time it can cause wooden frames to swell, warp, or even rot. For vinyl or aluminum windows, mechanical parts may fail after years of use. New window installation restores full functionality and improves ventilation and safety. You see visible damage or wear, cracks, chips, peeling paint, fogged glass. These are all visual cues that your windows are past their prime. Double-pane windows that appear foggy usually have broken seals, allowing condensation to form inside the glass. This not only obstructs your view but also reduces insulation. Exterior damage, including rotted frames or soft wood, is especially concerning. Replacing compromised windows helps preserve your home's structure and curb appeal. Outside noise is becoming noticeable. If street noise, barking dogs, or passing cars seem louder than before, your windows may be losing their insulation capabilities. Older single-pane windows or worn double-pane units do little to block sound. Modern replacement windows are designed with improved insulation and multi-pane technology, making your home noticeably quieter and more peaceful. Your home looks outdated. Windows contribute heavily to your home's appearance. Faded frames, aging styles, or damaged sashes can make your property look worn, even if the rest of the home is well maintained. A fresh window installation is one of the fastest ways to boost curb appeal. Whether you prefer traditional styles or modern designs, updated windows can give your Knoxville home a polished, refreshed look. You're planning a renovation or selling soon. If you're preparing for a remodel or putting your home on the market, new windows can significantly increase property value. Knoxville buyers often look for energy-efficient upgrades, and window replacement is considered one of the highest ROI improvements you can make. Well-installed, attractive windows enhance both comfort and resale appeal. Upgrade your Knoxville home with quality windows. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to explore window installation or replacement. Modern windows offer improved efficiency, noise reduction, weather protection, and visual appeal, all essential for homes in Knoxville's unique climate. Upgrading your windows not only improves comfort today but also adds long-term value to your home. Whenever you're ready, a professional window contractor can help you choose the best styles and materials for your needs.